In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Gorilla Future while examining the Apecoin cost gauge for 2023 and then some, which is very critical. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything basically is a difficult errand, quite alone anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Apecoin. Presently, how about we head into it, which is genuinely critical, before we dig pretty profound into the Apecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that primate is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Gorilla generally succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Apecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly generally toss a look at what Chimp is in its to-date history, or so they thought. Gorilla value expectation for the following 90 days, which is genuinely critical. The entire crypto world for the most part is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed fundamentally high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs amazingly, when for the most part add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation. The horizon certainly is dinky, and there will generally be significantly more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers, all things considered, are selling unsafe resources and moving into genuinely more steady business sectors. Crypto really is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year. This is especially reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to generally find a base before we can move in the especially inverse heading and alter the course in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will really begin to by and large do likewise. We have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the sort of next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We really expect whales and truly other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we truly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few genuinely other by and large exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 2.92% $575 2023-01 270.20% $557 2023-01 280.85% $554 2023-01 29 plus 1.24% $565 2023-01 30 plus 4.71% $585 2023-01 31 plus 1.19% $565 2023-02 01 plus 4.39% $583 2023 02 020 0.73% $554 2023 02 030.40% $5.56 Apecoin value forecast 2023 to 2023 Feb 11.06% $4.97 2023 blemish 8.16% $4.01 2023 APRA 21.44% $4.39 2023 May 19.25% $4.51 2023 June 9.92% $5.03 2023 Jill 7.02% $5.19 2023 AUG plus 0.85% $5.63 2023 SEP plus 7.16% $5.98 2023 OCT plus 5.41% $5.89 2023 NOV plus 13.14% $6.32 2023 DEC plus 16.55% $6.51 2024 JAN plus 22.40% $6.83 primate value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040, which is very huge. Our forecast model sees Gorilla coming to $13.40 in 2025. What Apecoin will sort of be, all things considered, worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2030 amazingly. What Apecoin will for the most part be essentially worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Apecoin supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner? No, Apecoin won't in every practical sense supplant or surpass BTC, which is genuinely huge. Might Apecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Apecoin to reach $100 in the kind of short or midterm period. Or so they thought. How high will Apecoin go? Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our gauging model sees Apecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Is Apecoin worth purchasing? Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. We in every practical sense don't see a splendid future for Apecoin. It certainly merits purchasing just as a sort of momentary hypothesis with a decent leave procedure, which is genuinely huge. Apecoin is certainly not a very decent long-haul hold, which truly is very critical. Is Apecoin a wise speculation? Apecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Or so they essentially thought. Indeed, it faces a savage contest from exceptionally other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't generally have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking is dubious. Could Apecoin at any point in a real sense make you a mogul? No, Apecoin could not cause you a tycoon as we generally at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How truly much will Apecoin be worth, which is very critical. For the transient future, it could reach $3.52, which basically is very critical. In the long haul, it will no doubt drop to zero or somewhere around there in a kind of large manner. For what reason will Apecoin succeed and explicitly become more expensive? Apecoin basically has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no very remarkable offer, it has a powerless group and little local area behind it in a fundamentally significant manner. All of this truly summarized forestalls Apecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. What is the especially momentary expectation for Apecoin? Apecoin will reach $3.52 in the following 90 days, which is a 37% change over the by and large current cost, which floats around $5.58 incredibly. Apecoin value expectation today. What will be the cost of Apecoin tomorrow? Apecoin will by and large drift around $6.03 tomorrow. When to sell and exit Apecoin amazingly. That relies upon commonly your exchanging profile, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you have faith in Apecoin and generally think it has a brilliant future, holding the coin for essentially 2 or 3 years in a real sense is a very smart thought in an especially large manner. Taking benefits on especially wise speculation certainly isn't in any event, in every way that really matters, better thought, or so they thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100-200% or in any event, in every practical sense, more gains on your Apecoin, changing out a part of the assets is certainly not a genuinely horrendous move. Might Apecoin at some point crash and for the most part go to nothing? Apecoin could possibly be a dead task in 5 years or somewhere in the vicinity. When trades delist it and individuals can't exchange it, you can throw in the towel. Apecoin will truly be in a cemetery of crypto coins, which is very critical. Might Apecoin at any point basically detonate in an especially enormous manner? No,